Hi friend, today I am so excited. I finally got my R10 Canon, and yesterday only I have ordered, and I directly ordered from the Canon website, and I have checked the price in Amazon also and in Best Buy also, but I get the best deal in Canon itself because they are giving 250 CAD travel bonus, like you will be able to redeem that one, and we are getting also 132 GB SanDisk memory card for camera free. So let me just open this one and see what all the things we are getting here. So if you see, right, this is the box they have given. So let me open this one. Okay, what all the things we are getting here. Okay, I am seeing some of the paper things here. This is the one like okay, yeah, this is what I am talking about. So this you will get it free if you order till 29th like 29 from 29th of December till 14th or 16th of February, then you will be getting this offer. So you will get this one as a free. Okay, so this is the manual as usual. So here they have given the applications and on how to sync our photo to Lightroom and Google Photo. All those things are written here. Okay, now coming to the main part, right? Like, let's see what all the things they have given here. So this is the camera strip. So there is nothing new about this one. So this one is the, I think, battery charger, and this is the battery they have given. So you can see like very small battery, and we can directly charge it using like this. Let's see like how it's working or not. Okay, so I'm putting it here. So here you are getting two things, like charge is also written, full is also written. So if it's become full, right, this light will blow. So there are two light here. So let me just put it here. So if you see here, right, now this yellow light is blinking. So like if it's become full, right, then that light will come into the full. So that is the one thing. Now coming to that, let's first see the lens. So this is the 1845 mm lens. So this is the lens we are getting. Yeah, it's pretty good. Like we can use it for so many purpose. Okay, and then comes the, I think this is the whole body we are getting. And I like this camera because it's so compact, it's small, so easier to use and all. You can easily take videos and all, everything. So this is the camera. So here you will be seeing like it's written R10 here, and yeah, like we are having so many modes and all, and we are getting this small screen to do all the things. So let me first set up this one, then I will explain all the functionality and everything about this one and why I took this one. Like I got confused about I should take the Sony or R50 or R100, all those things, but like that I am going to pick like why I choose this one. So and the grip you are getting is so nice. Like in art, the main problem of R50, right, you will be not getting this grip. So you will be not able to hold it easily. If your hand is big, right, like then it will be problem for holding the R50. But for this R10, right, it's like so easy to hold and all, and even for shooting purpose, right, it's like so nice. So you will be able to hold, and the weight is so less, like you can easily go anywhere, any angle, anything you can do. So that's all about this video. But like in the next video, right, like once I am going to set up this one fully, right, then I am going to explain each and every functionality of this one. So like if you are really interested in this one, right, like just subscribe my channel and like the video, and definitely I'm going to put everything in detail about this camera.